long years I've been alone in this place. Ain't sleep in the kitchen, it's a proper disgrace. Now if I cleaned it up, would you change your mind? I'll give up drinking Strumpy and that larder alive. 'Cause I got a friend you come by harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I got 20 acres and you got 43. Now I've got a friend you come by harvester and I'll give you the key. Who loves you, baby? Ha! When we a grand couple at that last Wurzel dance, I wore brand new gaiters and me cordy right bands. In your new Sunday dress with your perfume smelling grand, we had our photos took in a soda and